Together, they cost as much as an entire suburban neighborhood. But can any of these carbon fiber supercars beat the Bugatti Veyron? On this week's very special edition of Head to Head, we head to the runway. And the McLaren wins. Let's go back and take another look at that launch in slow motion. Off the line, you'll see both cars get moving with just the tiniest bit of wheel spin, but the McLaren's rear weight bias helps it jump ahead. And that's exactly where it stays for the rest of the race. The Lexus V10 screaming like a Formula One car, but screaming's not enough, and the McLaren gets to the quarter-mile marker 0.8 of a second sooner and nearly 6 miles an hour faster. Head over the quarter mile? Let's find out. Wait, what? Over so soon? All right, let's watch it again in slow-mo. The McLaren gets a jump off the line because, well, I was driving and I cheat, but cheating is no match for four-wheel drive launch, and the Aventador's is the most violent in the entire business. Thanks to its single-clutch automated manual, the shifts are just as painful. If you ever want to make your passenger cry, you put them in a Lambo. Luckily, it's all over in just 10.6 seconds, with the Lambo coming through the quarter-mile mark at 133.9 miles an hour. But does that mean the Lamborghini Aventador is the fastest carbon fiber supercar in the world? No.